Cauliflower, the humble vegetable that somehow became rice, pizza crust, mashed potatoes, buffalo wings, and a TikTok trend. But growing it? Yeah. It's not as simple as planting a seed and waiting for a salad. Cauliflower is bougie. It's the Beyoncé of the brassica family. Wants attention, perfect weather, and will ghost you if you mess it up. But fear not. We're diving headfirst into the best cauliflower varieties, when and how to plant, the mistakes that make your head go weird and leafy, pest control, spacing, and the ultimate cauliflower glow up, and how to store it so it doesn't end up as mushy sadness. Comment below, Cauli yeah, if you've ever tried growing this diva, or Cauli nope, if she destroyed your hopes. And remember, the StrongEcho AI Gardening App is your garden's secret weapon. Get any question answered instantly and identify plants, pests, and more. You can grow it. Chapter 1. Pick your cauliflower champion. Snowball. The classic. Tight white heads, medium size, solid flavor. Cheddar. No, it's not cheese. It's orange. Packed with beta-carotene. Graffiti. Vibrant purple. Instagram-worthy. Great raw in salads. Romanesco. Fractal math broccoli. Alien-looking. Nerd chic. Self-blanching varieties. Leaves curl over the head on their own. Low-maintenance dreamboat. App tip. Let the AI suggest the best cultivar for your zone, your sunlight, and your drama tolerance. Describe your situation and let AI help you pick the right cauliflower to grow. Chapter 2. Best time to plant. Cauliflower likes cool weather. Not frost, not heat waves, just chill. Spring crop. Start indoors 6 to 8 weeks before your last frost. Fall crop. Direct sow mid to late summer, depending on your region. Too much heat? Your cauliflower panics and buttons, which means it throws out tiny, useless heads and gives up on life. Chapter 3. Starting seeds. Indoors versus direct sowing. Cauliflower is not a fan of change. Treat it like a fussy toddler. Indoors. Start in cells with seed starting mix. Use grow lights if you're in a dungeon, aka basement. Harden off gradually before transplanting. They hate surprises. Direct sowing. Only works if your climate is chill, consistent, and you're lucky. Chapter 4. Soil, sun, and cauli comforts. Cauliflower wants a luxurious spa environment. Soil, pH, 6.0 to 7.0. Well-drained, rich soil with compost or aged manure. Consistent moisture, not puddles. Full sun, at least 6 hours daily. It's a sun diva. Chapter 5. Water and feed or watch it freak out. Cauliflower is emotionally unstable if not watered properly. Keep soil consistently moist, no dry spells. Mulch helps with moisture retention and temp regulation. Feed with a balanced fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks until heading begins. Too much nitrogen? You get a jungle. Not enough? You get sadness. Chapter 6. Mistakes that turn cauliflower into sad flower. Planting too late equals bolting. Too hot equals buttoning. Uneven watering equals cracked heads. Transplant shock equals emotional shutdown. Solution: plan ahead. Keep things consistent. Chapter 7. Spacing, thinning, and transplanting. Space plants, 18 to 24 inches apart. Thin seedlings to the strongest contenders. Transplant gently, like you're tucking a baby into bed with a bedtime story. Don't crowd them. Cauliflower needs space to form those big, beautiful heads. Chapter 8. Pest problems and how to kick them out. Your cauliflower is delicious. Bugs know it too. Cabbage loopers and worms. Eat holes like it's their job. Aphids. Multiply faster than bad TikTok trends. Slugs. Gross. Sneaky. Hungry. Companions that help. Nasturtiums. Trap plant. Thyme. Mint. Dill. Confuse pests. Garlic and onions. Repel bad vibes and bugs. natural bug banishing spells, neem oil, garlic chili spray, diatomaceous earth sprinkled like fairy dust. Chapter 9. Blanching, baby. Cauliflower heads need protection from sunlight to stay white and mild. Blanching equals folding outer leaves over the head and tying them loosely. Or grow self-blanching varieties and skip the leaf origami. Too much sun equals bitter, blotchy cauliflower that looks like it's been through something. Chapter 10. Harvest like a boss. You made it. Your cauliflower is no longer a scraggly plant of hopes and prayers. It's now a glorious, firm, fluffy crown of veggie greatness. But wait. Timing is everything. Harvest too late and it will spread out, flower, or basically explode into salad. Too early and it's all fluff, no flavor. So here's how to harvest like a garden ninja. The harvest. Checklist. Look for heads that are compact, firm, and 6 to 8 inches across. If it looks like a brain and feels like a dense pillow, you nailed it. Use a clean, sharp knife. No butter knives. No, found this in the drawer scissors. We're harvesting, not hacking through jungle vines. Cut just below the head, leaving a few leaves around it for protection and that extra aesthetic flair. Because yes, your cauliflower deserves a dramatic cape. Do not wait for it to start ricing out. If it's opening up or flowering, that's cauliflower saying, "I'm done here." The flavor drops, the texture turns gritty, and your dreams turn to compost. Chapter 11. Storage and cauli prep. Okay, you've harvested your cauliflower masterpiece. Now what? You have 2 choices. Treat it right, or watch it turn into a soggy mess with the emotional energy of a forgotten gym sock. Fridge storage. Short-term hero. Do not wash it first. Moisture equals rot trap. Keep it unwashed, uncut, and wrapped loosely in a perforated produce bag or paper towel inside your crisper drawer. This keeps airflow going while stopping it from drying out. Shelf life, 5 to 7 days max. After that, caulifunk. Freezer storage, long-term glory. Want to enjoy your cauliflower during a snowstorm or a zombie apocalypse? Freeze it right. Steps. Cut into florets, unless you want to play, "How do I break this cauliflower iceberg?" Later. Blanch in boiling water for 3 minutes. This stops enzymes that would make it turn mushy and brown. Shock in ice water immediately. It's a veggie spa day. Drain and dry thoroughly. Wet cauliflower turns into frozen disappointment. Spread on a baking sheet, freeze individually, then bag. That way, you can grab a handful, not a cauliflower boulder. What happens if you wait too long? Smells weird, gets soft, tastes bitter, looks like it went through a breakup. You did it. You grew cauliflower. The drama queen of the garden, the shape-shifting super veggie, the crunchy white brain of your harvest dreams. So now what? Grab the StrongEcho AI Gardening App to level up every garden you grow. Timing, spacing, pests, harvest, recipes. It's your digital green thumb. And remember, you can grow it. Get the most out of your growing season. Troubleshoot any problem with our AI gardening buddy. Hello, AI buddy. I have 3m2 space left in a shady spot. What can I grow there? Don't include herbs.
Although many vegetables and fruits prefer full sun, there are several types of plants that can tolerate and even thrive in shady spots. Leafy greens, spinach, Swiss chard, and kale don't need as much sunlight as some other vegetables.
Get as specific as you need. Hello, AI buddy. It's June in the Netherlands. I'm going on a trip for 5 days. What are some garden watering tips to keep my plants healthy?
If you're going away for a few days, here are some tips to help ensure your garden stays hydrated. 1. Deep watering. A few days before you leave, give your garden a deep watering. This means watering your plants more than you usually would.
Describe your unique situation and let our AI gardening buddy solve your problems. Hello, AI buddy. I don't have a lot of mulch. What is the best way to get mulch without spending a lot of money?
Many towns and cities offer free or cheap mulch made from recycled leaves or wood chips. Contact your local waste facility or public works department to see if they offer this service. Always remember to ask about the source of the mulch to avoid introducing disease or pests into your garden.
Our AI doesn't just provide answers. It helps you see the bigger picture, highlighting key factors you need to consider for smarter decisions. Try it for free on app.strongecho.com. We all have limited space to grow our crops. We all have just a couple of months in a growing season. Use our AI gardening buddy to get the most out of your garden. You can grow it.